no, kitty. Kitty's so sweet. Can you hear her purring? That's my little kitty girl. My little sweet baby. We got a little bed in here for her she likes. Oh, little sneeze. Bless you, baby. How's my kitty girl? Huh? This is where I need to keep her. Because I said I have my dog. She stays in here, the bathroom. I got a dog pen set up for her when a dog crate with her litter box and stuff. I don't know if you can see that. Her food and supplies. So she gets fresh canned food like 2 to 3 times a day. Little toys for her. Oh, here she comes. She likes this toy. My sister gave me a couple of these. She loves them. And I really don't know what to call her. I've just been calling her sweet baby, kitty kitty. You know, I just can't find the right name for her yet. Right, baby? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. What are you doing, baby? What are you doing, kitty girl? Come here, come into the light. Come into the light. Come into the light, baby. Come on. There she is. And this was a kitty that was living outdoors. If you've seen the other videos. Living in the woods with her family. Rescued her. Gonna make her a pet. She's sweet and loving. Becoming very affectionate. If you can hear her purring. Can you hear that? She purrs every time I come to see her. Every time. I just bumped something. She got nervous. Every time I come to see her, she starts purring immediately. Even if she's not like being pet or anything. She just purrs. She's a happy kitty. She's still a little skittish, you know, because she's, like I said, until me, she's never lived indoors. So some things, you know, make her nervous. One thing, surprisingly, is when I vacuum doesn't bother her. And I've taken the blow dryer when I'm doing my hair, and I've shown her it just to expose her a little bit, and she doesn't get upset at all. She just looks at it and sits there and lets it blow on her. Because also, eventually, I want to give her a nice bath and dry her off. Oh, she's climbing up. She does like to look out the window, though. I guess thinking of her previous life. Right, kitty? You like looking out the window? What do you see out there? Oh, you see a world that you're not going to be a part of anymore, I'm sorry. Because you need to be indoors and safe. And be someone's pet, not a stray wildcat. Baby boo-boo. Baby kitty kitty. Well, anyway, there she is. Look at her leaning up. She's cute. Hey, you. Hey, you. What you doing up there? What are you doing up there, little pootie? Alright, see you later, kitty. Oh, we also just clipped her nails today. She was very good about that. She's a very good kitty. You haven't clipped your nails? Good little girl. Slap her. Oh, now she stopped it. I put the camera too close. Oh, now she's starting. Alright, bye, kitty.